I am studying fourth standard East Section, States and Capital, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Haryana, Chandigarh, Kerala, Tiruvandhapuram, Karnataka, Bangalore, West Bengal, Kolkata, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Mizoram, Aizwa, Sikkim, Gangtok, Nagaland, Kopima, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong,